It is raining today. It is freaking cold. It is very cold and it's raining. What could possibly go wrong? Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, we're in Hoonah, Alaska. This is actually a place we're not supposed to stop at, but apparently our next stop has supposedly had a rock slide, some kind of rock slide incident, so I guess we had to, or they had to improvise and decided to take us here instead. But, not too sure what's gonna happen, but I did see a bald eagle earlier, which I had that on film. closed due to bear sightings. Dang. I want to see a bear. Okay, I don't know if you can see this, but you see that white spot right on top of that tree? That right there is a bald eagle. It's just sitting right there on the top of the tree. Yeah, it's just sitting right there on the top of the tree. There was a second one earlier, but I don't know where that eagle went. But yeah, looks like this one is just cruising. I really want to get like a better angle, but I'm just worried if I'm just worried that if I leave the room, he's gonna just take off. Okay, now two of them just flew by. Now there's two eagles on the tree.